All right, we've got the H-bomb. We've got Einstein's theories. We've got Niels Bohr. We've got Oppenheimer, Robert Oppenheimer.
Yeah.
Tell us about the H-bomb.
The H-bomb, like Edward Teller. I don't know who the other guys were. Edward Teller
Well,
was a big shot on H-bomb.
up in Detroit.
Oppenheimer said
no,
his
the
math
Italian.
was messed
The
up.
Italian up in Detroit.
Oh, Fermi.
Yeah, Fermi.
Yeah, Enrico Fermi. Yeah, that's Wrigley Field.
Yeah. So, what was going on with all these developments of these guys here? And they put Oppenheimer in charge of it.
Well, Oppenheimer, they put him in charge of some of the physics involved, and I'm not sure exactly how he got the background that he had. But, you know, Fermi, shit, my mind went blank.
Well, Fermi is the name. They named a nuclear power plant after him. It was one of the earlier ones.
Yeah, there's Fermi Labs. This is one of those. He's sort of a hero.
Yeah, and then they took the stuff from the stuff from Tennessee, New Mexico, and they moved everything over to Alamagordo. Okay. It went to Alamagordo.
I don't remember. I don't remember that.
And they set up the base. It was top secret, and the army was in control of that.
Well, it's still an
you guys got to come up with this great weapon for us.
Anyway, Oppenheimer was the one who chose the Los Alamos site because he had gone to school there when he was a kid. Rode horses around, you know, it was a nice forest. And it's like sort of on a mesa, you know, like it's really isolated and it's easy to defend. You know?
Yeah, so they got rid of all the school there, and they
put
took
the
it over.
down in Santa Fe, and Santa Fe is where a lot of it was managed from.
And Los Alamos was where they
super
shipped
secret,
everything.
of course.
It's all secret. During the war, you couldn't.
Secret, yeah.
No one knew what was going on out here.
Yeah.
Strange things are going on.
Yeah, some general whose name was, God, was that Groves? No, I'm trying to remember what his name was. There was some general.
Oh, God, don't talk about Groves.
Yeah.
He bothers me.
Oh, yeah, he's a mean man.
He's probably in that Dr. Strangelove movie somehow.
Yeah, right.
Factored him in.
Yeah, right.
No, but let's talk about the device itself.
Okay.
What gets involved with the hydrogen bomb, and then the A bomb is next?
Okay, they built two bombs, you know, like Los Alamos built two bombs. One of them they didn't even need to test because they knew it was going to work.
They knew.
Yeah, and the main thing was just to get enough of this fissionable material together. And it was just a real simple thing, you know, like a kind of a big hammer approach to doing the thing. Uh-huh. And the other one was one that was very sophisticated. Yeah. And it was in a sphere. And they had to have the explosives experts, you know, build little like explosives that would drive this fissionable material into the center of the sphere so that it would all get closer and closer together as it got to the middle. You know, now this is probably the one they use for the triggers. Is one like that. And I don't know how small they were able to make these things.
That's for airburst.
Oh, well, I don't know. See, basically the thing, it's not so much that it's, one of them was a plutonium bomb, and one of them was an enriched uranium bomb. And don't bother me, I can't remember which. Yeah. But, you know, like, they built these two. One of them they didn't need to test. You know, they already knew it was going to work. The other one, they wanted to test it and find out if it was going to work. And I believe that that's the one that they used first in, you know, like warfare. But I'm not sure, you know, like I keep getting different stories. You know, like every once in a while they come out with a different story. I think they're still trying to keep us confused. Yeah. Because any idiot can make an atomic bomb. And any idiot could make a hydrogen bomb if he had some heavy water and an atomic bomb.
You think there's so much disinfo out there that no one even has bothered to get through this simple
you use an atomic, you know, like trigger, which produces enough heat in the heavy water that it will fuse. You know, so then what you do is that you put together